Hey Dino, what are you making? Eggplant parmesan?
Hey Massimo, I'm not in Parma, I'm in Abruzzo and I make involtino di melanzana con ricotta.
Oh, that's awesome. You making like the eggplant roll with ricotta, caramelized red onion and raisins, and then you cook it in the oven with a little bit of pecorino on top?
Yes.
Awesome, let's do that. The ingredients for involtini di melanzane, which are an eggplant rolls, are extra virgin olive oil, black pepper, fresh ricotta, parmigiano, raisins, onions, salt, pecorino cheese, and eggplant. So we're gonna be making these involtini with eggplant melanzana. So we're gonna be cutting it, and then we're gonna fry it. Then we're gonna be sauteing the onions, and then we're gonna prepare the filling, and we're gonna wrap it all up. First, we're gonna fry a little bit of the eggplant, the red onions, a little bit, with a small amount of olive oil. So we're gonna cut them this way so we have a chance to roll them after. And this is the thickness that we wanna get. This much, so we have enough consistency for the eggplant, so it's not too thin and crispy, so we have enough of the flavor of the eggplant, and it won't break down, and it still has a little bit of substance. So now we're gonna be deep frying the eggplant. The choice of oil that we selected for this dish is sunflower oil. The reason we chose sunflower instead of olive oil is because it will be a lighter flavor taste. Of course, you can use olive oil, but the flavor will be a little bit more intense. This will just give a nice crispiness on the outside, and that's it. It won't take away from the flavor of eggplant.
To make the stuffing for the involtini di melanzane, we need fresh ricotta. I prefer from sheep milk, but if you want, you can use the cow. The caramelized onions, Just a little bit of pepper, salt. We have raisins. Pecorino. And Parmigiano. Just to mix together the ingredients. Just a little bit of salt for the eggplant and just a little bit of pepper. Now, more pecorino to create a little crust, because now we cook our eggplant in the oven 375 for 15 minutes.
Let's see. Look at the caramelized onion and the eggplant. I love this dish. Wonderful, one of my favorite dishes. It's good contrast, the crunchiness of the caramelized onion, the raisins, the sweetness of the raisins, the bitterness of the eggplant. Amazing. Paired with a nice one, maybe Montepulciano. Anyway, you can find this recipe on abruzzocibus.com on the blog area with all the measurements and the cooking times. Really good.